Hey there, it's Michael here, and welcome to the very first Happy English Sunday Speak. Starting today, every Sunday I'll be here with one quick phrase to make your English sound more natural. Today's phrase is you bet. You bet is a super casual American English phrase, and you can use it in a few different ways. We use you bet as a strong yes. Hey, are you coming to the party? You bet. Do you like baseball? You bet. Next, we use you bet as a casual way to mean you're welcome when someone thanks you. Hey, thanks for helping me move that furniture. You bet. Thanks a lot for covering my shift at work yesterday. Yeah, you bet. And finally, we use you bet to mean of course when we show enthusiasm or confidence. Hey, can you fix that computer? You bet I can. I'm not sure about going to that party. Will it be good? You bet it will. So remember, you bet is a supernatural way to say yes, you're welcome, and of course, but with a friendly, enthusiastic feeling. What was that? Will I have more English learning podcasts for you this week? You bet. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next week for another Sunday Speak.